Out of the 5 finalists we've handpicked from across the country and sending them to the international finals, which will be held in Bangkok, and the winner of which is going to go home with 40,000 US dollars. And to all the members in the audience at the back, I'm going to make some noise for Preetham Kumar.
From IIT Kanpur, part of Team Green Wave. For the judges case, let me take it back to 30-40 years back when your parents or grandmother used to say, don't waste food, don't throw everything in dustbin and all. The current we are saying is that India is a nation of wasters too. Like on an average, a person wastes around 3 to 4 pounds of food, anything like daily. 7%, only 10% is currently recycled, and rest of it is dumped in rivers and normal places. The envision scenario which we are wanting is that recycle the 90% of flowers and work with the eco-friendly products. Flower waste management. Each and every temple directly disposes them in the river or in the garbage trucks because the social stigmas which are attached to that. So we are working with products which will be helpful to both the temples and the people. When we light an agarbatti, we use a matchstick. So instead of the matchstick, if we directly have the tip of the matchstick on the incense stick, we can directly use the incense stick to rub and directly light them. So we are saving the wood that is used for matchstick. So how we make? We collect flowers from temples, solar dry them right now, attach the ignition material and produce the incense sticks. We have test run our pilot at 3 different places, Kanpur, Hyderabad and Mumbai currently. We had one issue when we came to the pollination of flowers, and we could easily penetrate to 1-tier cities like Hyderabad and Mumbai. With the collaboration thing, we are currently collaborated with CSIR CMAP, who is our technical partner, like even I am working with them directly. And Science for Society Pune, who are supplying us with the solar panels and the machinery which are required, because while we were doing our thing in winters, then the market opportunity, India caters to almost half of the total market shares. The current market sector is that 73% of the market is started by the unorganized sector. There is a very good reason behind this, because till the Congress government, the incense stick market came under the subsidized market, whereas now in the Modi government, they have removed the incense stick market from the subsidized market to the normal market. So it at any part, like because we have test run it in Kanpur, Hyderabad and Mumbai, like 3 different regions, so it can be directly replicable at any place. The milestones which we are targeting was work with 150 to 200 beneficiaries and target around 3 to 4 cities, like the 1-tier cities initially, so that we could easily penetrate to the surrounding places. Then all